1911 A1 45 Rock Island. This video is mainly for the ladies. Most men know how to shoot and disassemble one of these. First thing you want to do is unload it. You see this button right here. This is the magazine release button. This is an 8-round clip with one in the chamber, so it makes 9 rounds. Now, when you go to disassemble, you see this? This is your lock. So what you want to do is you want to lock it on the big slot, not the small one. Okay? Then, to make sure it's not loaded, always double check. Then release by pushing this. Your magazine, your slide release. Okay? And now you got this, which is a plunger. You push it down and you turn this catch right here. Take this off and you'll see a spring. You can go ahead and take the spring out. Then you turn this and take this out. This is what you call a bushing for your barrel. Alright, and then you want to take this, take your slide, and you want to slide it to the little notch right there. Not the big one, the little one. You want to line it up with this end right here, this little bitty tip. And then you take the other side and you push this and pull it out. Just like that. And the slide comes right out. This is a bushing right here that your spring fits on. Just like this. That's what I pulled it out of. Then you just pull your barrel out. Just like this. Okay? And this is basically how you disassemble a 45. If you want to go all the way with it, you take your pin and push your firing pin down, and this little piece right here comes down, and your firing pin and all will come out, and there's a spring in there, and you put it back the same way. Now, to assemble a 45, you take your spring, your barrel, push it in, leave this down. Leave this down. This piece right here fits onto the barrel with the groove on the barrel. Okay? Take your spring, put it on the groove, on the slot. Then you take your bushing, your barrel bushing, and you replace it. You turn it until it slides back onto the barrel, and then you turn it all the way this way so your spring bushing will fit down into this and lock. You take this and you line it up with your slots and you push. And sometimes this falls off, but no big deal. Okay? And you put your little slot back into the hole right there, just like you came off. And then, as you see, remember that little hole I told you to keep up, keep down? Well, you want to look through that hole right there, and you want to line it up to where that hole lines up with this hole.